Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. I uploaded the bright guava today. I filmed it yesterday and it's the next day, so we are going to be checking out the vanilla Apple silicone case for the iPhone 17 series. I am not as excited. I'm sort of kind of neutral sometimes, depends how I feel. To tell you frankly, I'm kind of not sure about this vanilla. So this is the vanilla iPhone 17 Pro Max Apple silicone case. Go. How do I feel? It feels soft in the inside because of microfiber lining. I'm a person that is happy if I see a color, and I don't see a color on this. Plain. It looks like my wall here. It's too lonely. I've never told you guys that Apple silicone cases are the easiest to take off. I'm gonna pick a wallpaper for this case. So themify again. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Plain background and this women right here. This cute one. This will make our vanilla kind of fun. We could pick Marilyn Monroe and or this one. Is this an elf? I'm having a hard time. Oh, this is cute. This is nice too. I just need a simple one. How about that? Ooh, this is cute. It gives like a life. My very lonely Apple case. So let's pick this one. Oh, it's cute. Let's try our vanilla. I think I got the perfect wallpaper. What do you think? This is the Starlight. I have installed a purple cushion right here. And here is our vanilla. I want to check if the sleeve is the same color as our vanilla. It does look like a vanilla color. How about the top? This would be a perfect pair right here. So this one right here is a little bit dark, and this one too is a little bit light. I think this is the Starlight. Oh man, I feel like this watch band is broken. Apparently, my microphone died. I'm gonna keep charging it. I have a wire here, just don't look at it. Other one is broken where you slide on your Apple Watch. I'm not gonna force it sliding here on my Apple Watch Ultra because I don't want to break it, and this is expensive. This is the Starlight, but I'll be correcting it in this video if I'm wrong. And kabam! We got it. This has a gray tint compared to this one. It's yellowish. So I have this aluminum Popsocket, and we are going to try it on the vanilla Apple silicone case. I like that the gold is giving it a little bit of a character, matching with our cosmic orange. Apple has released several white, off-white, and muted light colored silicone cases over the years, though they are often released seasonally and may not be available for every iPhone model. There's white, a standard bright white silicone case that has been released for various models, including iPhone 6s, X, and 12, and most recently a white silicone case for the iPhone 16e. The soft, warm, and creamy off-white, which I'm right, with a subtle yellow undertone, symbolizing comfort, purity, simplicity, and elegance. It evokes feelings of relaxation, warmth, and nostalgia. often used in design to create serene, minimalist, and inviting spaces, just like my wall right here. Yeah. As a clean, simple, and unpretentious shade that serves as a versatile, soothing, neutral in both fashion and interior design. Due to the rarity of the actual vanilla bean, the color often implies a sense of understated, quiet luxury. Psychologically, the warmth, muted tone promotes tranquility and a peaceful atmosphere. It can sometimes be used to describe something as ordinary, basic, or standard, similar to the plain vanilla flavor. I'm actually gonna go get ice cream, and I think I have a salted caramel but has a vanilla. I am gonna be wearing this on days that I want to be relaxed, and that happens when I go to work. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm gonna give this to my husband. I don't think I'll be able to sleep. It's 6 o'clock. I go to bed at 7. So vanilla originated in Mexico, where the Totonac people were likely the first to cultivate it before it was conquered by the Aztecs and later introduced to Europe by Herman Cortes in 1500s. Originally used in chocolate, its cultivation was locked to Mexico due to the native bee until a 12-year-old enslaved boy, Edmund Albius, discovered hand pollination in 1841. Mexico's East Coast first cultivated vanilla, considering it a gift from the gods. Apple released the vanilla color option for the spring 2026 iPhone and accessory lineup as a neutral, soft off-white to contrast with brighter, bolder colors like bright guava. The color choice aims to provide a versatile, clean, and classic aesthetic for the warmer, sun-drenched season. Wait a minute, isn't it color of the year? What? Wait, what is the color of the year? Pantone's color of the year 2026 is Cloud Dancer. An airy, lofty white representing calm, relaxation, and fresh start. Cloud Dancer, which means it's kind of off-white. It makes sense! I get it now! If you're a person that likes neutral colors, muted colors, this is the case for you. This is a good combo right here because the cosmic orange screams for attention, and then the vanilla calm, relax. I'm just right here to make you as the star of the show. If you're using this for your silver, and if you're a person that likes neutral, if you like a bit of color, if you have a silver, then go for the bright guava. This is really perfect for days that I don't want to be super loud. I just want to be calm, relax. Although my cosmic orange is screaming for attention, it's alright. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in talking about the vanilla, the star of this video. Are you gonna get this? Do you like this color? Are you a person that likes the colorful or brighter colors, or do you like the neutral colors? Thank you so much for watching. I enjoy these videos a lot. I hope you enjoyed it too. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!